Spitfire, the Mustang, the first jet fighter. Today, we're ranking WW2's ultimate planes by national origin. Number 1 could fly at 540 miles per hour before jets were even common. Stay till the end. If you love military aviation history, subscribe now. We rank 10 new planes every week. Last video was the Pioneers. Today, WW2 legends. Let's start at number 10. Number 10, the Supermarine Spitfire from the United Kingdom. Known as a fighter, first flight 1936. This is the plane that won the Battle of Britain. Beautiful elliptical wings, insane turning ability. Top speed, 370 miles per hour. Pilots called it the most loved fighter of the war. Spitfire or BF-109? Which wins? Comment your pick below. Number 9. The Bell X-1 from the United States. Known as an experimental rocket plane, first flight 1946. Technically post-World War II, but it was designed to break the sound barrier from World War II research. Chuck Yeager flew it to Mach 1 in 1947. It looked like a bullet with wings. First plane to go faster than sound. Craziest test pilot ever? Drop a rocket in comments. Number 8. The Grumman G-44 Widgeon from United States. Known as an amphibious transport. First flight 1940. Land, water, anywhere. This twin-engine seaplane hauled people and supplies for the Navy. Small, tough, and still flying today is a civilian classic. Number 7. The North American P-51 Mustang from United States. Known as a fighter. First flight 1940. This is the escort that changed the air war over Germany. Range 1,600 miles. Top speed 437 miles per hour. Could fly to Berlin and back. Many pilots say it's the best World War II fighter ever built. Number 6. The Messerschmitt Me 262 from Germany. Known as a jet fighter bomber. First flight 1941. The world's first operational jet fighter. Too late for WW2, but way ahead of its time. Top speed 540 miles per hour. Allied pilots had no idea what hit them. If Hitler had it earlier, history changes. Agree or disagree? Comment below. Number 5. The Lockheed P-38 Lightning from United States. Known as a fighter bomber. First flight 1939. Twin booms, twin engines, twin 50 cals. It looked like nothing else. Shot down Admiral Yamamoto's plane. Pacific Theater legend. Top speed 414 miles per hour. Coolest WW2 design? Type Lightning if you think so. Number 4. The Bell X-2 from United States. Known as an experimental rocket plane. First flight 1954. Designed to hit Mach 3 in the 1950s, it took WW2 rocket tech and pushed it to the limit. Only 2 built. One crashed at Mach 3.2. Dangerous, but it gave us data for every jet since. Would you be a test pilot? Comment. Number 3. The Aero L-39 Albatross from Czechoslovakia. Known as a military trainer jet. First flight 1968. Okay, this is post-WW2, but it trained thousands of WW2-era Air Force's successors. Simple, cheap, and still used worldwide. Over 2,900 built. The MiG-29 of trainers. Ever seen one at an air show? Comment where. Number 2. The Antonov AN-2 Colt from the Soviet Union. Known as a biplane utility transport. First flight 1947. The last mass-produced biplane ever. Slow, but it can land anywhere. Still flying in 2026. Over 18,000 built. Farmers, paratroopers, everyone used it. Toughest plane ever? I think yes. Agree? And number 1. The North American Rockwell OV-10 Bronco from United States. Known as light attack/observation. First flight 1965. Vietnam era, but designed from WW2 observation lessons. Twin boom can loiter for hours. Fired rockets, dropped flares, found targets. Ugly? Maybe. Effective? 100%. If you loved these WW2 legends, hit like and subscribe. Next video, Cold War beasts. Global Hawk, Harrier jump jet, F-16. See you in video 3. Thank you for watching.